Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from BrentSpeed. Thanks so much for watching BrentSpeed TV. Today we're going to watch videos on 9-second passes in our 24 GT with the Launch Edition Supercharger from Roush. We're going to tell you how we got there. Now, we're going to go back in time because last video you saw we ran 1050. We've been in the track once, ran 1023, we went back, ran 990s. We're going to tell you how we got there. It's going to be short. I will do a video in the next day or maybe next week on all the parts you put on this car. But right now, check out this 1023 pass with the Launch Edition, which ran 1050s with nothing but sticky tires and 93 octane. We had a boostane, a smaller pulley, 1023. Check this out. All right, check out this time slip on that 1023 pass. Remember, Launch Edition, automatic, 93 with boostane. We added the 81 pulley. We have sticky tires. Nothing else. That car ran 1023 in the quarter mile at 136.96. We were running 1050s before, all stock. 60 foot was a 158. Pretty sweet, not bad, but that's awesome. What we found out when we were testing this is paddle shifting. Like, I'm not a big paddle shift fan, but we could get a little bit more ET out of this car, paddle shifting it down the track, because the Roush cow shifts a hair early, and we were able to keep it in gear a little bit longer, hit that 1023. So then, what's in the tricks? We said we're gonna do long tube headers, QA1 carbon fiber drive shaft. That's what's next. Check out this pass. Now, I'm going to take a second and show you before and after. Now listen, we're going to talk a little bit more about this, but man, 9's 24 GT with these simple mods, I love it. So before, okay, the 728 right here, now you got to understand, we've dined with this car probably 30 times in the last couple of weeks. 728 at 7,500, torque 584 at 523. That is with the smaller pulley. That is with the boostane, but it's just warmer air. You know, numbers weren't as high as before, big deal. Installed headers the next day, long tubes, competition exhaust, QA1 Driveshaft, 745 at 7,500, torque 593 at 5,000, and check it out down here, 997 dug in here at 141.35. Our 60 foot is 1.55. Love it. Simple mods. 24 GTs, I got 200 miles on it. Roush Launch Edition, Roush cow, all right? Kooks long tubes, comp exhaust, and we have the pulley, it's 81. It's like a half to 1 pound more. Boostane, killer setup, I love it. And stock fronts on this. Some of you ask, stock fronts, sticky tire in the back, go out, drag mode, and we're paddle shifting. You know, the 1-2 is pretty quick, but you can hold it a little longer in gear going down the track. Ran 9.9, that is sick. Now, we're about 75 degrees, I think, yesterday when George and Chris took this to track, but I cannot wait for air to get a little bit cooler to see what it runs. So something else we did, what other tricks did we do? Guilty, took the spare tire out of the trunk, so whatever that weighs, but everything else is stock. You gotta love it. Roush Launch Edition have these in stock. We have all kinds of supercharged in stock, different year Mustangs. We keep them here. BrentSpeed.com, quote at BrentSpeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? Check the description. Links to this, you can read a lot more about it. And then stick around, because I'll do a video about the headers, videos about the drive shaft, show them to you, talk about the weight difference, give you a lot of details. Thanks for watching.